Now see, prove that equality problem is decidable. The union of two regular expression is also a regular expression. This is the property of regular expression. The concatenation of two regular expression is also a regular expression. This is also property of regular expression. Similarly, equality problem is decidable. This is the property of regular expression. The question is, prove that equality problem is decidable or not. Okay. Decidable means there has to be an algorithm. Decidable means we are able to give algorithm. Means if we have a problem and we have any algorithm or any procedure or any method to solve that problem, means that problem is decidable. If we are not able to solve that problem, we do not have any algorithm, any method, any procedure to solve that problem, means that problem is undecidable. Okay. See, now how we can prove it? Knowing that two regular languages equal or not is decidable. Okay. See, question is L1 equal to L2? Language L1 equal to language L2 or not? Where L1 and L2 are regular language. And for every regular language there exists some finite automata. If L1 is a regular language, then definitely there is a finite automata for language L1. If L2 is a regular language, then definitely there is a finite automata for language L2. Okay. Now construct finite automata for both. Construct finite automata for language L1, say it is a FA1, and construct finite automata for language L2, say it is a FA2. FA1 is a finite automata for language L1 and FA2 is a finite automata for language L2. Now convert this FA into DFA, say it is a DFA1, and convert this FA into DFA, say it is a DFA2. And we know that we have many algorithms to convert FA to DFA. Okay. Now minimize this DFA1 and DFA2. Okay. DFA1 and DFA2. Minimize this DFA1, say it is a DFA-M1, and minimize this DFA2, say it is a DFA-M2. Okay. And for minimization, we also have many algorithms to convert DFA to minimize DFA. Okay. Then you can see after minimization we get, suppose DFA-M1, this is a minimized DFA for DFA1, and DFA-M2 is a minimized DFA for DFA2. Okay. Then we can see that DFA-M1 is equivalent to DFA-M2, means both are same, means L1 equal to L2, so we can say that equality problem is decidable. We have an algorithm to solve this problem, so we can say that this problem, which problem? Equality problem. L1 equal to L2, this is equality problem, is decidable. Means if we have any problem, we can solve. It is not necessary that both language equal to L1 equal to L2. Okay. But we have a procedure to find out that this is L1 equal to L2 or L1 is not equal to L2. If we have a procedure to find that L1 equal to L2 and L1 is not equal to L2, then if we say that this problem is decidable. If we do not have any procedure to solve this problem, then we say that this problem is undecidable. Okay, this is the procedure, this is the algorithm, this is the method to solve this problem. Which problem? This is the problem, this L1 equal to L2 or not. To solve this problem, if we have a procedure, then we say that this equality problem is decidable, and we have a procedure to solve this problem, so we say that equality problem is decidable. Okay, there may be a question that equality problem is decidable or not. Prove that equality problem is decidable or not. Or there may be a question that check with the comparison method for testing equivalence of two FA1 and FA2. Both are equivalent or not. Okay, 2FA is given. We have to find out that both generate same language or not. Okay, then you can use this procedure to prove that FA1 is equal to FA2 or not. Okay, this is all about equality problem is decidable. Okay, thank you.